There is a common fear that AI will make real estate feel cold or automated. In reality, AI allows agents to be more present, calm, and human with their clients. When AI handles administrative tasks like follow ups, scheduling, and reminders, agents gain back hours of mental space. That time can be used to listen more carefully and advise more thoughtfully. Conversations stop feeling rushed. Agents show up prepared, informed, and emotionally available instead of distracted by notifications and unfinished tasks. Clients may never see the AI working behind the scenes, but they feel the difference. Responses are timely, communication is clear, the experience feels smooth and professional. AI removes pressure from the background so relationships can stay in the foreground. In 2026, the best agents are not the busiest ones, they are the most present ones. Artificial intelligence does not take away the human touch, it protects it.